Hello and good morning, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. This is your SST lesson, and in this lesson, we will read about the Indus Valley, the great civilization of Indus Valley. So, you are supposed to open page number 45 and 46 and read and understand what is written on these pages. Students, in previous lesson I told you about the people of ancient Mohenjo-daro and about the archaeologists. So we will continue from the archaeologists. Students, archaeologists dig and search for buried buildings and objects. In today's lesson, we will read about what the archaeologists dug up. The Indus Valley civilization left no temples or tombs like the pyramids of Egypt. There are also no remains of great statues of kings or gods. The Indus Valley's cultural legacy is of small and well-crafted art. The Indus Valley's cultural legacy is of small and well-crafted art. Ancient civilizations focused on worship. They made toys and small figures of people and animals using metal and clay. The Indus people wrote on soft clay using pointed sticks or by scratching marks onto stone and metal. No one knows what language the Indus people spoke, and no one has yet been able to read their writing. Pictures on seals and other artifacts show what look like figures of gods, but we don't know what the Indus people called them. The end of Indus Valley civilization. Looking at the ruins, we can see many changes. The cities became overcrowded with houses built on top of the houses. Important buildings like the Great Bath, Mohenjo-daro were built over. Around the time the Indus cities started to fail, their trade network collapsed, and this would have a big impact on the Indus cities. Some historians think this is why the cities collapsed. We know that only the cities fell into ruins. Farmers in the Indus Valley went on living in their villages and working on their farms, but the civilization would never return to greatness again. Was there a war? Some historians believed the Indus civilization was destroyed in a large war. Hindu poems called the Rig Veda describe northern invaders conquering the Indus Valley cities.